making elephant snot, which is like a foamy fountain that explodes. We will need a clean 16-ounce plastic soda bottle, half a cup of hydrogen peroxide, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, and then we also need 3 tablespoons of warm water, liquid dish soap, and blue food colouring, a small cup, and safety goggles. Okay, now we're going to start. Okay, first what we need to do is we need to pour the hydrogen peroxide into the big cup, a big bottle. Okay, my dad's going to do it because it's really dangerous and he doesn't want me doing it. Okay, that's good. Then we will need, 8 drops of my favourite food colouring. We got it. So we're going to put this in. What?
Meant to be 8 drops. You've done a whole squirt. Okay.
Have you stopped it?
No, keep going.
So there you see. I thought you put 8 drops. But 1 tablespoon of liquid dish washing soap. Can I do it, Daddy? So,
Half?
okay, we're using quarters, so we need to do 2 of these.
Half.
Half of
2
it.
halves.
Stop. Okay, now we will add the. Oh, we need to mix it, so swish it. Ooh, it looks really pretty.
Little swishing.
Okay, that's fine, Eddie.
Sufficient swishing. It's moving.
Okay, and then we will need some yeast in warm water. So we'll just put that in a little cup.
1
So-
tablespoon.
Tablespoon. That tablespoon.
No.
I'll do it.
1 tablespoon of yeast.
So go a bit more. Ooh. Oops, it's going everywhere. It's fine. A bit more. I'll do it. Okay, now mix it around. Then you need.
There we go.
Ooh,
Mixing the yeast
ooh,
for about
nice.
30 seconds. We do this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, can I do it? 24, 25,
It's lumpy.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, now we need the event starts. Pop. Ooh, so lumpy. We need to. Ooh, it feels horrible.
Give it a go.
I think we might need a little bit more warm water.
No, don't change the recipe.
Tiny bit more.
Stop! Stop doing that too much.
Sure, it's not meant to be lumpy, so we'll give it an extra step.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh.
Anyway.
Now, let the experiment happen.
Oh no. No.
I think you're meant to put the safety goggles on.
Oh yeah,
Put the
right.
goggles on. Goggles go on.
Goggles go on. Can you help me? Oh my gosh. It's coming up. It's coming up.
Oh no.
And it's not making up. Come on. It's coming up more. I told you we should have got a smaller bottle.
And it's coming!
Oh my
And
gosh.
we have produced
Elephant snot.
Brilliant.
Ooh, it looks so funny.
Revolting.
Not revolting.
Who would like to have dessert?
Brilliant.
Oh my god.
You've got
Brilliant.
Grandma.
This is Grandma, this is Sophia.
Well done.
And then Grandpa's there. He broke his wrist. Skiing, sad time. And this is Daddy.
Thank you
And
very much, Dr. Isabella.